Hey, welcome to the greatest YouTube channel in the entire world. Just kidding, I wish. This channel is about Black history, not the so widely known Black history. The type of Black history that you don't really hear about in school, that get you so upset. So let me break down how this channel works. You hear what I'm saying? Okay, I will be going over 5 clues that are facts about this mysterious person. And it's up to you back home to guess who I am talking about. You hear what I'm saying? Okay, but, not the but that you're talking about, but you cannot Google nor comment anything. You're gonna have to use your brain, your little tiny itty bitty brain to guess who I am talking about. Okay. Also be an ABC pick and choose questionnaire. So this is not just your average run of the mill, boring, sleepy Joe history. Wait a minute, did I say Sleepy Joe? Yeah, Sleepy Joe history. This is going to be like a game. Maybe not a video game, but a game. But don't worry, I will reveal the name at the I say very end. Anyway, let's jump right into it. Let's and go. Clue number 1. This person was born October 30th, 1922 in Jamaica, Queens, New York. Her career was a nurse. Clue number 2. She created the first home security system in 1960. She created that system because crime was all around her neighborhood. That's what inspired her. Police was as slow as a freaking turtle. I know I would definitely create something like that too if there was crime all around my neighborhood, y'all. The heck? Clue number 3. Her and her husband patented the home security system in 1969, but they soon would not retain long-term licensing control, which meant no percentage of the future system, no royalties, and no upside when the industry exploded with that money. Clue number 4, sad but true. In the 1960s, home cameras were expensive. Infrastructure was not widespread. Consumers was not buying as much in the 1960s. The invention was too early for its time, especially when it came to selling right. Not only that, but there were systemic barriers, especially for a Black woman. She also was not backed by corporations. She also was operating outside the elite tech company, which that affected access to capital plus negotiating leverage. Clue number 5, saddest truth I've ever heard. Sadder than number 4. She had to sell the patent. Back in the day, patents weren't cheap. They had fees that you had to pay. Also had to worry about legal maintenance and enforcement costs just in case somebody infringed on her patent. Long story short, it goes all the way back to her not able to get access to capital. So she ended up selling it because it was more of a liability at that time. The corporations ended up implementing her idea and they made tens of millions until this day. They're still making plenty money on her idea. So there you go. Those are the 5 clues. Okay. This is the fun part. I will be bringing up an A, B, and C name choice. And you pick which name you think it is. Here we go. Now, did you figure it out without Googling? Now it is your time to comment on who you think this incredible person is. Now here comes my favorite part. The name reveal. Are you guys ready? The name is Marie Van Britten Brown. I hope you all, or some of you guys, got it right, and I will definitely be bringing more games like this in the future. Wait a minute, didn't I say I was the best YouTube channel in the whole entire world? Yeah, I definitely remember saying that. Just kidding. I don't care what anybody says. I am going to do whatever I got to do to get really good at this whole YouTube thing. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for fun history games like this.